Take a look at this street rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1936 Ford Deluxe Slantback street rod. Yes, all steel car. Riding on American racing wheels. Powered by a 350 V8. Paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front grille. Are a few spots where it's touched up in the paint, real kind of minimal ones. They did a nice job of matching it up, but pretty small. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car from every angle. Be able to check out the engine bay, interior. We'll get to more on that engine bay here in a bit. Underside, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel fenders, steel boards. These little spots like this right here. See in a couple different areas. Bucket seats, cloth interior. A silver gray two-tone. Now the technicians, this ran through our service shop, the technicians stated don't roll both windows up and close both doors. The popper on the driver's side was in-op. Owner is elected to sell it the way it is, so you want to keep the driver's window down or the door cracked partially as far as getting back in. Consider that with your sales associate. It comes time to ship this if you're transporting it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate about that too when you call in or email. So you can see lightly tinted windows. And again, still pictures. Check this car out from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. uniqueclassiccars.com. See the taillights Frenched in. Gas filler door. As far as the engine, has a Holly carb, polished intake, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, headers. A little bit better look at it. It's a nice chrome dressed up engine. Not representing this with a hood, just so you know. Now, as far as, like I said, opening the doors, I've just reached in and grabbed the handle and then popped it. Power windows. And you can see cloth, good shape, free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Classic industry gauges. Like a low car shifter possibly there. Sounds good. That was a cold start too, so you should see oil temp. Fuel gauge, looks like it's moved up a little bit there, but I can't confirm fuel gauge is working. Voltage, we're going to let it warm up here a little bit. It'll come off high idle. Slip around, at least let you hear it run here for a minute. Rumble coming out of that 350. Give her just a bit more to warm up. Like I said, that was a cold start last time I had driven this vehicle. It took a little bit to come off the high idle. But I want you to hear it run with the lower idle. Check check out the engine bay. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me blurb this throttle. I'll let off. There we go. A little quick burp to the throttle. Electric choke, as you can see. Just idle down a tad to slip back to the rear of it so you can hear it run. Sounds like it's got a little cam to it. Like I said earlier, nice throaty exhaust. 1936 Ford Slantback street rod, all steel. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we insist on transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1936 Ford Slantback street rod. It's a Ford Deluxe. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry, so we're able to do some driving videos for you today. This is a good running hot rod. It's got a great sound. Easy to start, easy to steer. You have the gauges. You don't have a lot of other features. No radio. Goes real good. So we have 14.5 volts, 195 degrees temperature, oil pressure about 60, fuel's about 1/8 of a tank. I don't know if you can see that. I bumped the window down switch with my knee. And the camera's mounted to the window. Feels good on the highway. We do have some wind noise. But it likes to cruise about 60. Smooth. Doesn't appear this car has windshield wipers, but if you use a little Rain-X, you won't need those. It's an automatic shift knob on the floor. Very easy to drive hot rod, street rod, fun car.